Navigating the world of Amazon FBA often brings up a crucial question: is forming an LLC the right move for your business? Step 1 in answering that is understanding the primary benefit legal protection as an Amazon FBA seller. Your business activities, from product sourcing to customer interactions, carry inherent risks, and LLC forms a legal shield between your personal assets, your home, savings, and personal belongings, and any business liabilities, such as lawsuits or debts. This means if your business is ever sued, only the assets held under the LLC are at risk, not your personal wealth. Next, let's talk taxes. For many small businesses, an LLC offers favorable tax treatment. Typically, an LLC is treated as a pass-through entity. This means the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the owner's personal income tax return, avoiding the double taxation that can occur with C corporations. This can simplify your tax filings and potentially reduce your overall tax burden, though consulting with a tax professional is always recommended for personalized advice. Step 3. Consider credibility. Having an LLC can lend a professional air to your Amazon FBA business. It signals to suppliers, potential partners, and even customers that you're a serious, registered business entity. This can be particularly helpful when negotiating with manufacturers or seeking business loans, as it demonstrates a level of legitimacy and structure. Now, is an LLC right for you? This depends on your business size, risk tolerance, and future aspirations. If you're just starting out with a few products and minimal sales, the initial setup costs and ongoing compliance might outweigh the immediate benefits. However, as your business grows, sales increase, and your product catalog expands, the protection and professionalism an LLC offers become increasingly valuable. Think about your current revenue, the types of products you sell, and whether you anticipate any significant liabilities in the future. Ultimately, an LLC can be a powerful tool for protecting your personal assets, potentially streamlining your taxes, and boosting your business's credibility as you scale your Amazon FBA empire. Weigh these factors against your specific business goals and circumstances.